Let's ride that train then. The train. Cotton on! We're going to Pinklaw. Free treat from Mr. Jeff. Because we don't have a car, we need to walk. Our limo has arrived. Limo. And we are riding this, what they call transportation. It's like a jeepney in the Philippines. Here at the mall, and we're going to window shopping. Yep. Second floor. We don't know what booth we are going now. We're just roaming around, and there it is. Are you sure? Open lang. Yes. Now in the third floor. We did not buy something because we can't afford here. We're poor. Escalator, I mean. Ooh, flowers. Hi, bye. Bye-bye. Kuya Am, dito mga to. I'm hungry as fuck right now. Fuck. Hello, bunny. An idiot? We're on a mission to find cotton on. We're going up and down, and turn. You motherfucker, cotton on, where are you? I went. I don't know where this cotton on is. We go up and up and up. Let's ride that train then. The train. Cotton on! Cotton on! Goodness sake, we found cotton on. For 30 minutes. Cotton on. Where have you been? buy it in the Philippines, there's 1,199 pesos. Here, it's 300 baht. Yes. So we did not buy something in cotton on because it's too pricey. We can't afford it. We better go home. See you home. So I've just got home and a tiring day. Need to sleep. Thank you for watching. Caduce.